Did you know that some foods can actually help reduce pain, just like natural painkillers? Today we're diving into the top foods that can help ease inflammation, headaches, joint pains, and more, all naturally. Before we start, a quick disclaimer. This video is for educational purposes only. Always consult your doctor if you have chronic pain or medical conditions. Natural remedies can support your health, but they are not a replacement for professional medical care. Okay, now let's dive into it. First on our list is turmeric. This golden spice contains curcumin, a powerful anti-inflammatory compound that can help with joint pain, arthritis, and even general body aches. For best results, combine turmeric with black pepper. It boosts absorption. You can add it to curries, smoothies, or enjoy a warm glass of turmeric milk. Now here is a tip. Daily intake of turmeric may help reduce inflammation over time. Next is ginger. Ginger contains gingerol, which has anti-inflammatory and analgesic properties. Studies show ginger can help reduce muscle pain, menstrual cramps, and even headaches. Try fresh ginger tea, adding it to stir fries, or even chewing a small piece for fast relief. Pineapple is more than a tropical treat. It contains bromelain, an enzyme that helps reduce inflammation and swelling. Bromelain is especially effective for joint pain and post-surgery recovery. Add pineapple to your fruit salad or smoothies for a tasty natural pain reliever. Cherries are packed with antioxidants, which help reduce inflammation. Research shows that cherries can ease arthritis pain and even reduce muscle soreness after exercise. Drink cherry juice or snack on fresh cherries. Your muscles will thank you. Fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines are rich in omega-3 fatty acids. These healthy fats are natural anti-inflammatories that can ease joint pain and reduce stiffness in conditions like arthritis. Include fish in your meals 2-3 times a week for lasting benefits. Garlic isn't just a flavor booster. It contains allicin, which fights inflammation and may reduce pain linked to arthritis and other conditions. Add raw garlic to salads or cook it lightly in dishes to enjoy its benefit. Green tea is rich in polyphenols, compounds that have anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. Research suggests green tea can reduce arthritis pain and even protect against chronic inflammation. Sip a cup daily, hot or cold, to enjoy these benefits. Yes, chocolate. Dark chocolate with 70% or more cacao contains flavonoids which have anti-inflammatory and pain-relieving properties. Moderate intake can reduce inflammation and even improve mood. Now that's double benefit. Leafy greens like spinach, kale, and Swiss chard are rich in vitamins, antioxidants. They fight inflammation. Regular intake can support joint health and overall pain reduction. Add them to smoothies, salads, or soups. Nuts and seeds like walnuts, almonds, and flax seeds are packed with omega-3s and antioxidants. They can reduce inflammation and joint discomfort while supporting heart health. Snack on a handful daily or sprinkle them on yogurt and salads. Berries are rich in antioxidants and reduces inflammation and protects cells from damage. Studies suggest that they can help with arthritis pain and general aches. Enjoy a cup of mixed berries daily, delicious and beneficial. Extra virgin olive oil contains oleocanthal, a compound with anti-inflammatory properties similar to ibuprofen or ibuprofen. It can help reduce joint pains and inflammation over time. Use it in cooking or salads for heart and joint health. Chili peppers. Chili peppers contain capsaicin, which can reduce pain by blocking pain signals in the body. Capsaicin creams are even used for nerve and joint pain. Add chili to meals in moderation, just enough to enjoy the heat and benefits. To sum it up, these natural foods, turmeric, ginger, pineapple, cherries, fatty fish, garlic, green tea, dark chocolate, leafy greens, nuts, berries, olive oil, and chili pepper, can all help reduce pain and inflammation naturally. Incorporating them into your daily meals can improve your overall health and reduce discomfort over time. Remember, consistency is key. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more health tips, and share your favorite natural painkiller foods in the comments below. Stay healthy, stay pain-free, and see you in the next one.